Hello, we are students of TAPME, and here we are at a discussion in which we'll discuss how we ended up here and a sneak peek into our lives at TAPME, Bangalore. Hi, I'm Aishwarya Saxena, and I come from Bikaner, Rajasthan. My journey to TAPME, basically, I after my 12th exams, I had commerce plus maths background. I was interested in doing something related to commerce field itself. I had many options. I gave CUET, I gave IP Mat, I gave JIP Mat, and I was able to crack almost four colleges. But I came to TAPME, given the history of their 40 years in MBA courses, and also Bangalore as a location seemed really lucrative to me.
Hello, this is Ayushi Singh, and I'm from Gorakhpur, Uttar Pradesh. I my background is science, PCM. So when I gave my 12th, I had this misconception that the students who choose science had to do everything and had to choose their career in science. But when I explored more about what should I do actually, because I did not want to do engineering specifically. So when I explored more about what are my skills and where are my inclinations lying, I got to know that I have skills which would be very much aligned to the management course of TAPME, BBA honors specifically. So I gave exams such as IP Mat, CUET, and I had options of Christ, Masters Union, and several other colleges. But I chose TAPME over others because of the course structure specifically, and the fact that they are very open about the rigorous studies here. I like that so much because I was ready to accept the challenge that was in front of me, and I was very much fascinated by their honors course. That was the fourth year course, and I really like that they are giving us an opportunity to explore more, and they are also open to people who don't know exactly what they want to do.
Hello, I'm Amya Sharma. I'm from Mumbai, Maharashtra, and I've done my 12th grade in PCMB. And after my 12th grade, I gave IP Mat Indore, and I had cracked Christ and NMIMS Bombay. And I came to TAPME also because of the course structure. So it had a very holistic course structure, and the subjects I found were similar to IPM Indore course. So that is why I came to TAPME.
I'm Soumya Sharma and I'm from Akola, Maharashtra. And coming from a PCB background in my 12th, I appeared for the GMAT examination and I had options of IIM Bodh Gaya, Jackson Mumbai campus, and TAPME Bangalore. So among the present options, I chose TAPME because of the course structure. And secondly, the city Bangalore has opportunities, lots of opportunities. And secondly, I'm so fascinated about business and entrepreneurship. And TAPME provides the background and the basic structure, basic foundation, so that you can have a good career in your entrepreneurship journey.
Okay, so that was all from our side. We look forward to see you all in our campus very soon, and all the best for your upcoming examinations. Bye bye.